Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove someone ex account Facebook account from your phone. Someone use your phone to log into their Facebook and you wanted to remove the account permanently. How do you go about it? What you need to do is you have to log into their Facebook, then click on this your three picture or this profile picture, then scroll down, then you're going to log out. So click on logout here. Then once you click on logout, you have to wait for it to log out. So you'll be able to remove the account permanently and the person will not be able to log into their account, or see the profile of the person or account. Now you have see once you log out, click on this three dots. Once you click on this three dot, then you can see remove profile from this device. Click on remove profile from this device. And once you are sure, just click on remove and it's going to remove permanently. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.